I don't like to say and to be very categoric in this situation, but the situation seems like he will not be here. I would like him to be here. I would like to have all these midfielders because it will be another very difficult season for us through games in Europe, through games in the leagues, through games in the cup. We had played 58 games last season, and we know how important was to have a team with a group of players that had been able to go from one game to other game in 3 days or 2 days. So this kind of rotation was, I believe, the reason for which we were successful this season, and we have now to be even with higher quality.